solving equations by the graph.
By graph, solving equation by graph. And we had sheet 1 as a homework. You will find in our SMS model answer for sheet 1. So I will check with you only the first question, which is graph each equation, find the point of intersection and check. Then y equal 2x and y equal negative x plus 3. Once you want to represent this one graphically, where is the y-intercept in this equation? Where is the y-intercept for the first equation?
0. 0.
Yes. So we have y equal 2x, right? Then the y-intercept, this question is
0.
0. Yes. And the slope in this question is
2.
2.
Well, what equal 2? And we can say 2 means 2 over 1. So we can say that this one is 2 over 1. Then where we will start from 0, right? So we will stand on 0, and after that we will start to count 2 units up and 1 to the right. Then 0, 1, 2, and then 1 to the right. 0, 1, 2, and the 1 to the right. 0, 1, 2, and 1 to the right. So the blue one, this is for the first line. The second equation. What is the equation? The second one. The second equation.
Negative x plus 3.
Y equal
Negative x plus 3.
negative x plus
X plus 3.
3.
Plus
Okay. Then what is the y-intercept in this question?
3.
3.
3.
Yes. So the y-intercept equal 3. And what is the slope?
Negative x.
Negative 1.
The slope
Negative
equal
1.
negative 1. Yes. And negative 1 means
1 over 1.
One down
and 1 to the right.
yes. So we have 1 down and then 1 to the right. So we will go directly and we will stand on 3. So we will stand on 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 here.
Miss,
Then
I have a question.
1 down, 0, 1. Yes, tell me.
Miss, when do we go 1 to the left?
No, never. We will go to the left. Never we will go to the left. Okay?
Okay.
Then it will be 0.
This will break the rule. In the break
In the
of
big
the
rule, okay, but never we will move to the right. Yani when we have the rule, never we will move to the left. Always we will move to the right. Except only in some special cases, we are going to move to the left. If you will break the rule, you don't have enough space and you want to, instead of moving down, you want to move up, then it will be, instead of moving right, you will move down. Then we will start from 3, then it will be 0, 1, 2, 0 down and 1 to the right, and then 0 down and then 1 to the right, and then 0 down and then 1 to the A, and then 1 to the right. After that, we will connect the points together. Where they will intersect grade 8.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Yes, so I'm going to connect this one. Like this. So they will intersect where? They will intersect on 1 and 2. Okay?
Yes, we can make a check answer for no.
Yes, sure. Very good. So it will be 1 and 2. Okay? So this is Khadija's sheet. She did a great work, but we want to check together that this one is not correct. So the answer, it should be equal 1 and 2. So we will check our answer. We want to know. Then you will back, if you want to check, then you will back and you will substitute. This is the value of x and this is the value of what? Of y. So we will remove this line. This line is not with us. Okay. Then it will be 1 and the A and the 2. So I will go to the first one. So the y equal 2 and the right side it will be 2 times 1 should be equal 2. Right? So 2 equal 2. In this one, 1 and 2. So this is 2. and it will be -1 plus 3. Okay, so -1 plus 3 also
Equal
it will
to.
be equal to. So the answer, it will be correct, 1 and 2. Is that clear? So this is how we can represent by using what? By using what? Graphing.
Graphs.
You will determine first first you will determine the y-intercept and then the slope to know how you are going to move. Today, inshallah, we are going to study how we can answer by substitution method. So the first method, it was solving system of equation by by graphing. Today it will be solving system of equation by what يا يوسف؟ يوسف.
أيوة والله موجود.
Okay.
Substitution.
By substitution. Okay, then solving system of equation by substitution. How we are going to solve this question? So we have, just a second guys. Then we are going to solve by solving system of equation by substitution. Okay, solving system of equation by substitution. We have two equations exactly like the first example. So for example, we have -3x plus y. So we have -3x plus y equal 1. And 4x plus y equal 8. 4x plus y equal 8. Okay, then -3x plus y equal 1 and 4x plus y equal 8. How we are going to solve this two equations? By using substitution method. By using substitution method. So we have the second one is 4. You can hear me, grade 8?
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes.
Equal 8. So in this question, I have two equations, right? And we want to solve them by substitution. We have to work with both of them. One will give, second will take. Okay, so we can say that if the first equation will give, so the second equation will take. I can rearrange the equation here. I can write it like y equal what? If I want to start with y, so it will be y equal what?
3x plus 1.
3x.
3x, yes, exactly. So it will be 3x plus 1, right? Then y equal 3x plus 1. Then I can take this one, the first equation. She can give the value of y to the second equation. Okay, then for the value of y now, each one y equal how many, grade 8? Each one y equal how many?
3x plus 1.
3x plus 1, right?
Yes,
So we will take this present and we will go to visit the second equation, right? And we will replace the value of y by 3x plus 1, which means it will be 4x plus, I will not write y now, what I have to write now? Huh?
3x.
3x plus 1. Yes, 3x plus 1. This is equal 8. Okay, then the first equation give us a present that each value of y equal 3x plus 1. So we will take the present and we go to the second equation. 4x, it will be the same. We will remove y and put instead of it 3x plus 1. This is equal how many? Equal 8. What is the next step, grade 7, grade 8? We want to, yes, we will simplify. Then 4x plus 3x, it will be how many? It will be 7x plus 1 equal 8. What is the next step?
We switch the 1 to the 8, يعني 8
Yes.
minus 1.
8 minus 1, very good. Then we have 7x equal 7. What is the next step?
Over 7.
Over 7. We will divide it both by 7, then x equal 1. Right?
1.
Then y give us a present at the beginning that the value of y equal 3x plus 1, and we use it and we found the value of what? We found the value of x. So we have to beg to say thank you, right? So we said that one give and the second receive. So after you finish, you have to back to the first equation again. Why? To replace the value of x by how many?
1.
By 1. Then we will say that y equal 3 times 1 plus 1. To the answer, it will be y equal 3 times 1. It's 3 plus 1 equal how many? Equal 4. So the answer for this equation now, it will be order pair 1 and what? 1 and 4. Right? And you can check your answer in both two equations. Right? So in solving system of equations by substitution, as I told you, first we can rearrange to have the value of x or the value of y. So whatever the part which you will start with, okay, whatever the part which you will start with, you will start with x or y, but as I said, one will give, second will receive. Okay, understood? Understood?
Yes. It's in the y part.
The y part?
Yes.
The y part. I said at the beginning, it was negative 3x plus y equal 1, right? Then rearrange to keep y in one side. Then you have to search about the variable with coefficient equal 1. So always the part which the variable it will give us, it should be the variable with coefficient equal what? Equal 1. So we said that y, so we kept y in one side, and we transferred negative 3 to the opposite side, so it becomes 3x plus 1. And then now we took this one as a present, and we will go to the second equation to replace the value of y. Let me give you another example, grade 8. The first equation is 3x plus y, 3x plus y equal 11. And the second equation is, so we have the first one is 3x plus y equal 11. The second one is negative 2x plus y equal 1. Okay, and you will find this question in your textbook, page 236, part 4, your turn. Is there anyone can help me to start? 3x plus 1 equal 11. Who will help me? Rearrange. So first we will start to rearrange. Which variable we are going to keep?
Why?
Y.
Why? Why did you choose y?
Because it doesn't have a number beside it. It's
It doesn't have a coefficient, or the coefficient of y equal 1. Thank you so much. Then y equal Y equal how many?
Y equal
11
minus 3x.
11 minus 3x.
11 minus
Okay,
3.
correct. Or negative 3
Negative 3x
x plus 11. Yes,
plus
very,
11.
very good. Okay. Then we will take, if there anyone can tell me how we are going to replace in the second one, please try to do it. Please try to do it. Huh?
Replace or rearrange?
Try to do it by yourself.
minus 11.
Okay, then the next step, yes, it will be
Negative 5x
negative 5, just a second, so it will be negative 5x equal 1 minus 11, right? So the next step, it will be negative 5x equal negative 10, right? We will divide both by negative 5, then the value of x equal how many?
negative
2.
The value of x equal 2, right? Fadia, what is the next step, ya Fadia? What is the next step, ya Fadia? Fadia, where are you? Hello?
Miss sometimes الانترنت بتاعي بيكون وحش فممكن تكون
طيب.
Miss sometimes برضه المايك بتاعها بيعلق.
طيب مايا, where are you, ya Maya?
I'm here, yeah.
Okay, Maya, could you please tell me what is the next step we have to do it now? What is the
now,
next step? Huh?
we will go back
We
to
will
the first
take
the 2 x equal
2 and then we will back to replace, right? Then, okay, Rashwan, go on. Rashwan, how you will find the value of y? Huh? How you will find the value of y?
Can I answer?
Rashwan, where are you?
Miss, can I give a try?
Yes, Kenzie, go on.
I will take 2, so we'll make negative 3 minus 2 equal negative 5.
No, just second. Just second. It will be negative 3 multiply by 2. You will replace the value of x here, ya Kenzie, plus 11, right? Then it will be y equal negative 6 plus 11. So the answer, it will be y equal 5. Okay, then the answer, it will be 2 and 5, and we come back to check your answer in both two cases. So I said again, if you want to find solving system of equations by substitution, one equation will give, second equation will receive. Let me ask you a question. If we will start from the second equation and we will replace in the first equation, you will expect that the answer, it will be the same or different? You will expect that the answer, it will be the same or different if you will start with the second. If you will start from the second equation, yani, as I said at the beginning, that the first will give, second will receive, right? Right? If you will start from the second, it will be correct. If you will replace in the first, yes, it will be the same. So it's up to you to choose which equation you will start with. Only you will search about the value for, sorry, the variable which it has coefficient equal 1. Okay, next question. 2x minus, sorry, 2x, yes, minus 3y equal negative 24. Okay, then 2x minus 3y equal negative 24. Second, we have x plus 6y equal 18. In this equation, who can tell me we will start from where? Which one is more easier, to start with the first equation or with the second equation?
The second.
The
Second.
second.
Very good. So we will keep which one variable and we will transfer which variable.
Miss, can I say?
Who?
Rashwan.
Rashwan. Go on, yeah, Rashwan.
تبقى x equal.
Yes, so you prefer to start with the second one, right? So we will go to the second one. We are going to keep x, yes, and then equal
Plus 6y minus 18.
Take care, ya Ahmed. You will keep x, right? And you will transfer 6y. Once you will transfer something from one side to the other, so we have to change the sign, right? So it will be negative
negative 6y
y plus
18 بقى.
18, right? Then the second one now will give and the first one will receive, right? So the second one we will give and the first one will receive. Then we will go to the first one. We will remove each x and put instead of x negative 6y plus 18. Okay, let's start. So we have 2. And then we will open a parenthesis because it's an expression. Negative 6y plus 18. And then we will close the parentheses. Minus, tell me grade 9, grade 8, please. Minus 3y equals negative 24. Okay? Then,
So, can you repeat again, please, because I didn't understand this part?
I said that we will choose from the second one. We will check for all the variables. The first one, this is 2. No, we are looking for 1. This is negative 3. No, we are looking for 1. This is 1. Okay, we found it. So we will keep x and we will remove negative or positive 6y to the opposite side. So it will be negative 6y plus 18. Now we found the value of x. We have found the present. So we will take the value of x and we will back to the first equation and we will remove each x and put its value. Okay, then it will be 2, remove x and put negative 6y plus 18 minus 3y equal negative 24. After that, we will start to distribute. So it will be what? Tell me grade 8. So it will be negative 12y plus 36 minus 3
3y
y
negative
equal
negative 24.
negative 24. What we have to do next step? We will add all the like terms. So we have negative 12 and negative 3. It will be what, ya Malak? Malak. Negative 12 and negative 3. It will be, Habiba.
-36.
It will be negative 15y plus 36 equal negative 24.
Thank you. So it will be negative 15y plus 36 equal negative 24. Very good.
24.
What is the next step?
We keep negative 15y equal negative 24 minus 36.
Yes,
Minus 36.
negative 24 minus 36. So quickly, what is the next one? It will be negative 15y equal,
Negative 60.
negative 60. Okay, so you will divide it
Over negative
by
15.
negative 15. So the answer will be what? So the y equal, it will be y
160.
equal, yes, Ringuda, equal 4. Okay, so the value of y equal 4. We will take it and we will back again to the second equation. We have to say thank you, right? So we will back here and we will put instead of y, how many?
4.
How many?
4.
So we have, this is x equal negative 6 times
Multiply 4.
multiply 4 plus
18.
18.
Plus
Very
18.
good. So the value of x will be equal,
24.
it will be negative 24 plus 18, it will be
Plus 18.
negative 6, right? So the answer for this question, it will be negative
4, 6 and 4.
and 4. Negative 6 and 4. Okay, understood? So in this lesson, he want only to know. He want to find or answer the question by substitution. So the substitution do. So in case if you can't find any variable with 1, so we can say that we will divide it all by 2, all by 2, and by 2. Then you have x plus 2y, okay, equal 4. And in this case, you found that x, a variable equal 1, and then you will transfer, it will be negative 2y plus 4. So first step, you will search. If you can find 1, it's okay.